My bike, the Rocket 3, up on the big blue lift. I don't need to raise it that far. Getting ready to do a rear tire change. Nice and stable. I'm using this box wrench instead of the drill because I can maintain good control of the height and whatnot. Down to the lift, just for added security. I'm going to try this impact wrench, see if I can break these lug nuts. It should be rather a simple job, but I do have to raise this up. I'm putting in a taller tire, so let's see what happens. Stand underneath. It's adjustable. It goes underneath the tire. It should make it easier to pick the tire back up on the lug nuts when it's ready to go back on. Adjustments to the height of the rear fender guard here. This piece already has a crack in it. Black duct tape was to the rescue. So let me start to work on that. Just a little crude to raise up this fender cover a bit. Now I can put a piece of black tape over the crack. Oh, come on, there it is. Getting ready to put the Rabaconda together. Get some more gloves. Got the heavy duty 8mm. Hope everything. One of the things that sold me on the Rabaconda is it all fits in a gym size bag. That's my Challenger. Alrighty. Tires sit out in the sun, so they'll be easier to work with. They're pretty good sized tire, 240, 55, R16s, so big motorcycle tires. Okay, let's get the Rabaconda together. off. Looks like it's held on by a Torx wrench, so it looks to me like either T25 or T27. T25. Tire. It's sitting up here on the Rabaconda stand. There's a center cap adapter. There she goes. Back tire is off. Ready to hopefully install the new Bridgestone. It's sitting out in the sun, get nice and warm.